Let us start the class. Guys, can you hear me now?
Yes, Sai.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you so much. So I just want to recap the points what we discussed in the last session. Just 5 to 10 minutes. I don't want to take much time from you. And after that, I'm going to start the today's session. Okay. In the last class, we were discussing about what is Salesforce and what are the advantages of using software applications, and also we were discussing about what are the difficulties of using software applications. So these are the 3 points in the last class we discussed. I just want to recap the points once. The Salesforce is a vendor company. This company started in 1999, San Francisco, California, USA. It's a product-based company, or the other way around, we can call it as a product-based company. Product-based company like Microsoft. Microsoft. This company started in 1999, San Francisco, California, USA. The company CEO is Mark Benioff. And this company runs on the concept name is called cloud computing. So today I'm going to discuss about what is cloud computing and all. So this is the point in the last class we discussed. And coming to the advantages of using software applications. There are 3 major advantages we were discussed yesterday. First advantage, it saves the time. Second advantage, security. And the last and final advantage, we were discussing about scalability. These are the 3 major advantages in the last class we discussed with examples. I hope you remember all the advantages. Okay. Then after we were discussing about what are the difficulties, what are the intricacies of using software applications. So the major difficulties of using software applications, both clients and service-based companies like Infosys, TCS, Capgemini, Accenture. There are so many companies out there. All these belongs to what? Service-based companies. Both clients and service-based companies, okay, they have to keep on, upgrade the software. They have to keep on installing the software, and they have to keep on maintaining the software. And it leads to increase, the setup cost. Okay. So this is the major drawback of traditional system or what the legacy systems. Understand? Good. So all these drawbacks, all these problems, we can overcome by using the concept name is called cloud computing. So what is cloud computing? That is a point I'm going to discuss in today's session, and today is the second day. The people who are not attended yesterday's class, please take the recordings from Durga management. The backend team will provide the last class recording. Okay, guys? So once you listen to the class, if you have any doubts, you can ask the questions in the tomorrow's class. Okay? Don't bother. So let us start the today's session. I'm going to start with what is cloud computing. So cloud computing have so many definitions are there, but I'm going to discuss majorly 2 definitions of cloud computing. The definition number 1 is a layman point of I'm talking, a layman point of view. What is cloud computing means? It is a concept. It is a concept or it is a technology. It is a concept or a technology. Here, whatever IT services we need, or we require, every service will provide by vendor company. Every service will provide by vendor company. As a user, if you want to access all these services, we just need only internet connection or internet service, and we can access. And we can access all services. This is the very elaborate definition of cloud computing. A layman point of view I'm talking here, a layman point of view. So it is a concept or a technology. Here, whatever IT services we require, all these IT services are provided by vendor company. As a user, we just need only internet connection. We just need only internet connection. We can access all the services over the internet. Okay. And this is the normal layman point of view definition. Or the other way around, technical way, I can talk. The next definition of cloud computing is, it is a pool of services. It is a pool of services. It's a pool of services which are provided by vendor company, We can access all these services over the cloud. Cloud means over the internet across the globe. This is the second definition about what? Say cloud computing. It is a concept or a technology, whatever IT services we require, every service will provide by vendor company. As a user, if you want to access all these services, we just need only internet connection and we can access all the services. Or the other way around, it is a pool of services which are provided by vendor company. We can access all these services over the cloud across the globe. So ultimately, what I'm trying to tell is, all these IT services are provided by vendor company. If you want to access all these services, we just need only internet connection. If we have internet facility, we can access all the IT services, okay, through your laptop or through your desktop, or you can use your iPad, or you can use your mobile also. You can use any smart device. The only thing you require is internet service or internet connection. We can happily access all these IT services. And these are the services are provided by vendor company. Now someone got a doubt in the class. Suppose Mukesh got a doubt in the class or Mahesh got a doubt in the class. Sir, I understand the meaning of the cloud computing about these two definitions. But you keep on saying that the services, IT services are provided by vendor company. What are these IT services? What is the exact meaning of services? What kind of services vendor company provides? I do not understand what is the meaning of IT service and all. So please explain me about IT service means. So I will explain you. IT services means there are three types of services. There are three types of services which are provided by vendor company. Guys, am I audible or not? Anyone of you please respond.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. There are three types of services which are provided by vendor company. The services are, the first service name is called IaaS. Second service name is called PaaS. The third service name is called SaaS. There are three types of services here. IaaS stands for, does anyone know what is IaaS stands for here? What is IaaS stands for?
Infrastructure as service.
Very good. Infrastructure as a service. Second one, PaaS, stands for platform as a service. Third one, software as a service. Software as a service can also be called as application as a service. Okay, it can be called as AAAS. So there are three types of services. Someone need to mute, please. I'm getting some noise from your side. Everybody, please mute. Thank you. So there are three types of services: infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. So first, let us start with what is the meaning of infrastructure as a service. Infrastructure as a service means providing hardware, as a service. Providing a hardware as a service is called, what is this? Infrastructure as a service. What is providing hardware as a service? What is the meaning of hardware? Hardware means what we can see, and what we can touch. And what we can see and what we can touch is called what? Hardware. So suppose networks comes under hardware, servers comes under hardware, okay, memory space is also comes under hardware. This all comes under hardware, guys. So if any vendor company provided their memory space, provided their database servers, provided their networks as a service to all of us, that kind of service we can call it as what? Infrastructure as a service. Okay, for your better understanding, I'm giving a small example. With this example, I hope you can understand clearly about what is the meaning of infrastructure as a service. Listen carefully and try to understand. You people know about the Google company. Google company is a vendor company like Microsoft, IBM. This company having application called Gmail that everybody knows. Using this application, we can send and receive emails. What? Emails. Yes or no? So whoever having Gmail account, okay, those users will get something called what? Google Drive. Every user having Google Drive. Whoever having Gmail account, that user having what? Will get Google Drive. What is Google Drive? It is nothing but a memory space. Understand everyone here? It is nothing but what? Memory space. How much memory space they will give? They are given 15 GB memory space to all of us. In this memory space, we can save your contact numbers, we can save your important files, documents, okay? Everything can save permanently in the cloud. So even though your mobile is crashed, your mobile is getting damaged, or maybe your system getting damaged, no problem with your data. Your data will always safe. Where it is stored? In the cloud only. It is maintained by Google company. So Google company maintaining the Gmail server, maintaining what? This Gmail server, giving what? Memory space to all of us, 15 GB. In this memory space, we can store all these details. And what I'm trying to tell finally is the way how Google company provided their memory space as a service to all of us, that kind of service comes under what? Come on, infrastructure as a service. So I hope all of you understand this particular example about the infrastructure as a service. Am I clear this part of the explanation? Everyone in the class? Everybody please unmute and talk to me. Everyone, am I audible?
Yes. Yes, you are.
Yeah, everyone understand the example? Good, thank you. And coming to the second important thing, platform as a service. So before I discuss about this platform as a service, I'm requesting all of you in the classroom, please concentrate about the platform as a service. This point is very, very important. I'm going very slow. Everybody please come with me and try to understand what I'm speaking. I hope all of you remember yesterday's class. In yesterday's class, I discussed one important point. As a developer, if you want to develop any application, we need minimum three things. Remember all of you? What is that? We need what? Three things. What is that? Anyone remember? We need programming language. We need one database. And also we need what? Operating system. Yes or no? So without operating system, without backend database, without programming language, it is not possible to develop the application for any company. If any vendor company provide all these three as a service, I can say this kind of service can be called as platform as a service. Once again, I'm repeating. If any vendor company providing all these three to the developer as a service, that kind of service we can call it as what? Platform as a service. Sales was given the programming language for the developers to develop the business application. The programming language name is called Apex. Apex is a programming language. I can say it's a proprietary language of Salesforce company. It's a proprietary language of Salesforce company. Just like you people know about SAP company. SAP is a German-based company having their own programming language called, what is this? ABAP, ABAP. What does ABAP stands for? Advanced Business Application Programming. The way how SAP company developed their own programming language ABAP, in the same way, okay, Salesforce company developed their own programming language called what? Apex. Using this language, we can develop the business application. And coming to the database, I think I can say the backend database they're using Oracle. But officially they do not disclose the database what they are using. Officially they do not disclose the database name what they are using. But it is my assumption because I am the ex-employee of Salesforce company. Salesforce people are using backend database Oracle. And they are using operating system. Operating system, I don't know what they are using. But these are the programming language, database product and operating system is required to develop the application for any company, for any business. If any one company provided all these three as a service, if any company provide all these three as a service, I can say it is a platform as a service. Salesforce company, when the platform for the developers, the platform name is called force.com. What is the platform name? Force.com. The other way around, Lightning platform. What is this? Lightning. So force.com is the old name. Lightning platform is the new name. Am I clear this? Force.com is the old name. Lightning platform is the new name. Salesforce company given the strongest platform for the developers. The platform name is called force.com or Lightning platform. On this platform, developers can develop the application. Very quickly. That is why it can be called as RAD. What is RAD stands for? RAD stands for Rapid Application Development. What is the meaning of rapid? Rapid means fast application development. Understand the point here? Guys, all of you follows or not?
Yes, follow.
Very good. If I'm going fast, please let me know. Okay? Fine. So it can be called as what? Rapid application development. Salesforce given very robust platform for the developer. Salesforce given very strongest platform for the developers, on which developers can develop the application very quickly. At this particular point of time, I need to tell one important point. Is anyone here this name called enterprise application? Neetu Srivastav, Mahesh, and rest of all the people, I remember 2 or 3 people names only. Does anyone remember this enterprise application? Talib? Mohammed Talib? Enterprise application is the combination of 3 applications, guys. Enterprise application is the combination of how many applications? 3 applications. The first application name is called, business application. Second application is called CRM application. The third application name is called integration application. The combination of all the 3 applications the combination of all the three applications, we can call it as what? Enterprise application. Am I clear this? So business application handles company business activities. Business application handles company business activities. CRM application handles customer relationship. Here we are going to discuss about 3 clouds in your syllabus. How many clouds we are going to discuss? 3 clouds we are going to discuss. One is marketing cloud plus sales cloud plus service or support cloud. So this we are going to cover in the CRM application. It's also a part of your syllabus. And the last and final one is called integration application. What is integration application here? Integration application means communication between the heterogeneous applications. Communication between what? Heterogeneous applications. Understand the point? Means, let us take a small example. Listen carefully and try to understand this. I want to book a movie ticket. Understand? So generally what we have to open? Which application? We want to book the ticket. We have to open Book My Show application. Understand everyone in the class? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Nice. So you have to open the Book My Show application. So let us open the Book My Show application now. Let us open the Book My Show application. Click on Book My Show application link. So I want to see the movie in Hyderabad. In the top right side corner, we can see the list of cities over here. Guys, am I audible to everyone? Please confirm once.
Yes, sir.
Because
Yes.
I'm using another system, it is so much slow. I'm not using my original system. Yeah, I want to see the movie in Hyderabad. Okay, just go down. And I want to see this movie Durga. Just book the tickets. Continue. So these are the AMD cinemas, and I want to go to maybe 10:35 p.m. Okay, select this one. Platinum gold. I selected platinum, almost gold. Okay, select seats. Almost close. Okay, fine. Available. Nothing is available here. Oh. Okay, so selected one seat here. One seat is selected. System is too much slow, guys. Please bear with me. Sorry for that inconvenience, everyone. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please bear with me. the selected seats. Okay. Okay, click on accept. I want to eat some popcorn. Add. Click on proceed. And here, let me enter my details. And this is my phone number. Click on submit. And click on net banking. So I have the account with the HDFC. Click on HDFC and click on proceed. Click on proceed. Now tell me, everyone in the classroom, so far I am in Book My Show application, and this Book My Show application finally connected me to where? HDFC Bank net banking application, right? Here I enter my username and password, then I can, okay, book the ticket. Now tell me one simple question I'm asking here. Book My Show application is connected with what? HDFC Bank net banking gateway. Yes or no? Now tell me how Book My Show application connected with the HDFC Bank net banking gateway. Book My Show application downloaded on PHP technology. HDFC Bank application. Not only HDFC Bank, almost at every bank in India, they are using one of the software name is called Finacle. Is anyone hear this name? Almost every bank in India, they are using what? Finacle software. And this product is developed by Infosys company. Most of the banks in India, they are using Finacle software. So Infosys company developed this product Finacle using Java technology. Which technology? Java. So now tell me, Book My Show application developed on PHP technology, HDFC Bank application developed on Java technology. Both are entirely different technologies. But how these two technologies and how these two applications are communicate with each other, and how these two applications connect with each other. So in between, there is another application plays an important role. That application name is called, what is this? Come on.
Integration application.
Integration application. So this integration application connected these two different applications. That is, it can be called as what? That is, it can be called as heterogeneous applications. What is this? Heterogeneous, not same. So these two applications are connecting with each other, communicate these two applications each other, and finally make sure that the transaction completed successfully. So how it is possible? This is possible through what? Integration app. Okay. So this kind of integration applications we can develop in Salesforce. This kind of CRM applications we can develop. We can develop business applications. We can develop the entire enterprise application. And finally, what I'm trying to tell is, if you want to develop the enterprise application, we can use, if you want to develop the enterprise application, we can use Force.com platform. On Force.com platform or on Lightning platform, we can develop the enterprise application very quickly. Suppose if you want to develop the same enterprise application using Java technology or using .NET technology or using Python or any other technology like SAP, it takes minimum 5 to 10 years time. Sorry, 5 to 6 years time. 5 to 6 years. The entire enterprise application. Understand everyone in the class. But the same technologies, the same enterprise application, if you want to develop the same enterprise application, if you want to develop the same application development, enterprise application you want to develop on Force.com platform, I can say we can develop within 10 months. All of you understand, everyone in the classroom. We can develop on Force.com platform. Within 10 months we can develop. Okay. Where is 5 years time and where is 10 months? There is a lot of difference. Yes or no? That is why project maintenance cost is decreased. project maintenance cost is decreased from the client point of view. Understand all of you? Because Salesforce given very, very strongest platform for the developers to develop the application in a quickest. Why it's possible? Why Java takes more time? Why .NET takes more time? Why Salesforce takes less time? What could be the reason? What are the factors involving here? That is the point I'm going to discuss now. Listen the class carefully and try to understand this. See, if you take Java or if you take .NET, if you take SAP or if you take any other technology, coding part is more. Programming is more. 90% is programming. But coming to Salesforce, coding part is very less. Coding part is very, very less in Salesforce. Understand what I am speaking here? Coding part is very less. I can say we can develop the application. 40% of application we can develop. 40% of application we can develop through GUI, graphical user interface. And rest of the 60% of application we can develop. Rest of the 60% of application we can develop through programming. So coding part is very less in Salesforce. That's the reason we can develop the application very quickly. First of all, Salesforce follows. I need to tell very important point here. Salesforce follows this one. No code concept, and low code concept, and we have something called what? What is this? Pro code concept. No code, low code, and pro code. Salesforce exists for coding part. Okay, but some of the business scenarios we cannot resolve by using without coding. That is why sometimes we need to go for low code. Even that is also not possible to solve the problem. Then only we have to go for pro code. Pro means programming. But Salesforce ultimately follows what? No code. Then low code. Okay. But not conditions used. Very rare conditions they are using what? Pro code. All of you understand? Guys, can you hear me now? Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Yeah. So ultimately what I'm trying to tell is, if you want to develop the enterprise application, we can develop the enterprise application very easily on Salesforce platform. That is the reason last 11 years, not 11 years I can say, last 12 years, Salesforce company or Salesforce CRM is the world's number one CRM, world's number one last 11 years, consecutively without any gap. Last 11 years, Salesforce is the world's number one CRM. See here, it is not my words, I'm not telling any lies. Look at this. If you type Salesforce share market, share price. See here. Share of Salesforce. See here, guys, Salesforce holds the largest market share in the global CRM with figures 2023-24 showing a dominant position at around 21.7% to 20.7% respectively. See here. If you go down, Salesforce ranked number one CRM provider for 12th consecutive years. Guys, everybody please look at the screen. Last 12 years, Salesforce is the world's #1 CRM in the market. Salesforce ranked #1 CRM provider. For 3 years. Everyone in the class? Hello?
Yes.
Am I audible?
Yes, Sai. Yes, Sai.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So why the people are crazy about the Salesforce? Why the clients are crazy about the Salesforce? Because project maintenance cost is very less comparatively what other technologies. Okay. So ultimately, what I'm trying to tell before I close this point, okay. Salesforce company given very good platform for the developer. The platform name is called what? Force.com platform or Lightning platform. Okay. Very good. Next. On this platform, we can download the application. Whatever application we developed on this platform, if you give this application directly as a service, that kind of application we can call it as what? Software as a service or application as a service. Understand? Software as a service or application as a service. For example, you know about Google company again. Google company given what? Gmail application. Tell me, if you want to access the Gmail application to send an email, receive an email, what you require? You just require only internet connection. Yes or no? Access the Gmail application. We can create the Gmail application, Gmail account. We can send and receive the emails. So, in this particular example, the Google company given the Gmail application as a service to all of us. The only thing you require is what? Internet connection. If you have internet service, we can access the Gmail application. But Gmail application developed by Google company, Gmail server is maintained by Google company, Gmail server is upgraded by Google company, everything will be taken care of by Google company. We no need to bother about all these points. We just happily access what? Gmail application. If you want to access Gmail application, the only thing you require is what here? Internet connection. If we have internet facility, we can access, undoubtedly. Clear all of you? So here Google company given the Gmail application as a service, that kind of service we can call it as what? Software as a service. So these are the 3 types of services which are provided by vendor companies. What is the first one here? Come on guys. Infrastructure as a service. Second one, platform as a service. Third one, software as a service. Okay. Infrastructure as a service means providing hardware as a service can be called as infrastructure. Platform as a service means providing programming language, database, Oracle, database and operating system as a service is called platform. And the last and final one, providing application directly as a service can be called as software as a service or application as a service. All these services are given by vendor company. If you want to access all these services, the only thing what we require is what? We should have good proper internet connection. If we have internet facility, we can access all these services. For your better understanding, I'm going to give a best example to understand cloud computing the better way. See here. Let me take a small example about the cloud computing here. Let me take a small example. You can understand the cloud computing very easily. See, I want to check my mails every day, and also I want to take printout. Understand the point here? This is the work I want to do every day. I want to check my mails. Whatever mails I have, I got every day. I want to check my mails and also I want to take some printout. For that, what I have to do? Come on, guys. First of all, I need to buy one laptop or any desktop. Yes or no? And also I need to buy one printer. And also I need to buy some white papers. Come on, speak out. Yes or no? And also ultimately I need to take what? Some internet. Come on.
Connection.
Internet connection. That's it. Tell me, laptop cost approximately
50,000. Printer cost approximately 10,000. White papers cost approximately maybe 500 rupees. Internet connection, internet charges approximately maybe 1,000 rupees. Yes or no? So approximately altogether, I have to invest how much? I have to invest 60,000 rupees or 50,000 rupees approximately. So instead of investing 50,000 rupees unnecessarily, what I'm going to do is I just go to the internet center nearby home. There I can check my mails and also I can take the printout. Yes or no? I no need to invest this much of amount. Correct or not? Come on. If I go to the internet center, shall I check my mails? Yes, we can check the mails. Can we take the printout in the internet center? Yes, we can take the printout. Correct or not? Tell me, but in the internet center, who provide all these facilities? Who given the system? Who given the printer facility? Who given the white papers? Who given the internet facility? All these services are given by internet center owner. Yes or no?
Yes,
Come on,
sir.
everyone in the class. The way how internet center owner provided all these services, the same way here also vendor company owner providing all these IT services over the internet. And whatever services we are using and how much service we are using, for those services only you have to pay. You don't need to pay anything extra. You have to pay to whom? Vendor company owners. Clear all of you? This is called pay-per-use model. What is the model name? Pay-per-use model. Pay-per-use model means the name itself implies. Whatever, how much service we are using and whatever services we are using, for those services only you have to pay. You don't need to pay anything extra. Suppose I go to the internet, I browse the internet almost 1 hour, I have to pay 50 rupees. Suppose next day I'm going, I'm using only half an hour, I just pay only 20 rupees. Maybe third day I go, I'm using 3 hours in the internet center, I have to pay maybe 100 rupees. Like that, how much time I'm using and whatever services I'm using over there, accordingly I have to pay. I no need to pay anything extra. That is why this can be called as pay-per-use model. Am I clear? If you understand this example, which example? This internet center example, you can easily understand the meaning of the cloud computing. Cloud computing is not a rocket science. Very, 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 very easy technology. Even IT and non-IT people also can understand this technology very easily. And crack the job is very easy. Understand this example, internet center example, so that you can understand the meaning of cloud computing very easily. Am I clear? Everyone in the class?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So last 1 hour or maybe last 45 minutes of class, because 15 minutes delay today because of system problem. So tomorrow you don't have any problem. Tomorrow I'll ensure that my system is ready. And last 45 minutes of class, we just discussed about the services which are provided by vendor company. And after that, initially we were discussing about what is cloud computing. So 2 points only we discussed in today's class. What is cloud computing and types of services are provided by vendor company. So I hope all of you understand these topics. If anyone have any queries, any doubts, any questions, please ask. Come on, guys. Are there no one speaking?
No question, it is clear.
Any questions, please, from anyone in the class?
Sir, I have a question. Am I
Yeah,
audible?
yeah, audible, Swayanshi.
Just have a query that since you have told there is some force.com where there is a customized application is developed in Salesforce. So that is, you mean to say that comes under platform as a service?
Please come again. Ask me once again, please, Swayanshi.
Sir, you told there is a concept in Salesforce that is force which enables like the development of a customized application in Salesforce.
That
So
is a
that
platform. That is a platform name, force.com.
Okay, so that the platform, it is serving as a platform as a service.
Yes, that is a platform which is given by Salesforce to the developers.
Okay.
On which developers can develop the application as per the client requirement.
Okay, so it is serving the purpose of platform as a service.
Obviously.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Any questions, Mahesh?
Fine. You said that like our course agenda will be sales, service, and marketing, right? So are we
Yeah.
going to cover like marketing tools as well, or just an overview?
No. Complete CRM will explain.
Mhm.
Not overview. No.
Mhm.
Not
No, like
overview.
about the marketing cloud, no, like there are some marketing tools as well, right? Like Journey Builder and all that stuff. So
Yeah. What I'm
that
trying to tell
will.
is, Mahesh.
Mhm.
What I'm trying to
Mhm.
tell is, the complete CRM consists of 18 S objects. How many?
18.
18 S objects. What is S object? I will tell you later point of time. Don't bother. So understanding the CRM is nothing but you have to understand the connectivity between all these S objects. Means in marketing we have something called campaign S object is there. From the campaign we can get the leads. If we convert the lead, it becomes an account. From the account we can get the contact. From the contact we can expect some business, that is called opportunity. Like 15 S objects we are going to discuss in the entire CRM. Understand, Mahesh? Hello.
Yeah,
Am I
got
audible?
it, got it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
In
got it.
in the marketing, we are going to discuss about the campaign as object, what it contains, what is the meaning of campaign and all, what is the meaning of lead, and how to convert the lead into account. Okay. So these are the topics we are going to discuss in the entire CRM topic.
Okay.
Understand,
And
Mahesh?
at the end, LWC will be there, right?
Yeah, LWC is a part of development only. That is a point
Sure.
yesterday I told you. That is a
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. Any questions, please?
Sir, this is Girish.
Yeah, Girish.
Yeah, so I have a couple of questions.
Yeah. Please
Are you
go
going
ahead.
to cover the admin part too?
Yeah, admin part also. Both admin and development will cover.
Okay, thank you. And
In
one
the
more thing.
in the admin part, Girish, Girish, we are mainly focused on security aspects
Mhm.
and automations like flow builders, process builder, workflows, approval process.
Great.
Okay, reports and dashboards, data
Okay.
analysis,
Mhm.
and coming to data management tools like data import wizard and data loader.
Okay.
So these are the topics I'm going to cover in the admin part.
Okay. So I understood this is a vast syllabus, but
Yeah.
is there any possibility of covering a kind of small project so that we'll get some experience on that?
Why not? Yesterday I told you very clearly, at the end of the syllabus, I'll give the project.
Oh, okay. Sorry, I didn't attend the yesterday's session. And last one, so we'll be having some platform to practice this, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So is that force.com you were talking about or something else?
Force.com only. Lightning.com. Lightning.force.com. See here. Developer dot. Because system is very slow here. That is why I could not able to open. Developer.salesforce.com.
Okay.
So this edition what we are using. See here, get on Salesforce for free. Get hands-on with it first. Getting so much choice from your side.
So your voice is very low.
Understand, Girish? Am I audible?
No, sir, very low.
Can you hear me
We
now?
are not able to hear you, sir, because your voice is really very low.
Can you hear me hear me now? Hello? Am I audible?
Yes,
We
but
can hear you, but
it's
it's
very
very
low.
hard to know.
Because see, my system has some problem. That is why my voice is getting so low. Hello?
Yes, it's understandable.
Yeah. Thank you.
But it's very feeble.
Yes.
Yeah, please try to cooperate with me only for today. Tomorrow my system is getting ready.
Okay.
Thank you, Girish. If you have any doubts, you can ask me tomorrow. I'll explain you. The system is
Okay, last one, sir. So when we are practicing these sessions, if we get any doubt or if there are any issues or errors in the development, so whom we have to contact? You will be coming only for training sessions, right?
No. I'm available 24/7. No problem at
Ah,
all. So
okay.
very soon I'm going to create a WhatsApp group for your batch only, separate group. In
Okay.
that group, you can post your questions. I'll give the answers.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you. Any questions, please? Thank you. So that's all about the today's class. I'll catch you tomorrow, guys. Thank you all.
So tomorrow's main session will start, right?
Not tomorrow, probably on Monday onwards. Tomorrow we'll discuss about Salesforce editions,
Okay.
Salesforce partners. Okay.
Okay. Fine.
Salesforce releases. These are the points I'm going to discuss. Very important class. Don't miss it, Girish.
Sure, sir. Thank you.
Don't miss it. Every class is very precious. Don't miss it. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank
I'll
you.
catch you. Yeah, I'll
Okay.
catch you.
Thanks, Sai.
Thank you.
Bye.